Hello everyone. Our health is the most important thing that we are endowed with. But as we age, some of our body functions begin to slow down, and our system gets weaker and no longer functions as it was before. And we start dealing with problems such as vision loss, colon clogging, and fat accumulation in the liver. And signs of aging appear clear to us, and in most cases we stand helplessly in their face. But did you know that you can slow down these signs of aging and improve your overall health? Well, in today's video, we will walk you through and show you that these natural problems can be easily taken over. Stick around to know how. If you want to slow down the signs of aging and look younger and more active for a longer period of time, and not suffer from weakness or vision loss, you need to start eating more beets, also called beetroots. Beets are a type of vegetables which have a red color, and can be eaten raw or in salad, and can be consumed simply as juice. Actually, it might not be that tasty, but it's very healthy and nutritious. Beets can help people who have partially lost their vision get their sight back, and very importantly, they play a major role in completely getting rid of impacted colon and fat accumulation in the liver. So, what are the health benefits of beets? They contain many vitamins such as vitamin E, B, and C, and some body essential minerals such as iron, potassium, calcium, and manganese, as well as proteins and antioxidant fibers. Beets help in reducing high blood pressure due to nitric acid that it contains, and the latter helps boost the blood circulation in the body and calm nerves. Knowing that it's always better to prevent than to cure, you can prevent cancer by incorporating beets into your daily diet, because it's pretty much known to be a great source of antioxidants which fight against cancerous cells and prevent them from forming in the first place. Last but not least, they prevent anemia as they contain iron, which is a vital substance against anemia, simply because it increases red blood cells in the body, which eventually results in a younger and overall better looking body. Not to forget that it's of a paramount importance for your brain health. The reason is that it helps paving the way for the blood to easily reach the brain and increases the oxygen flow to the different body cells. To sum things up, beets boost your energy and help you energize your body, leading eventually to less feeling of exhaustion and fatigue. Therefore, it is a very good option for a sports person. Women who are concerned about their skin and how it looks are also advised to drink beets juice on a regular basis to help them get rid of wrinkles and enjoy a skin full of vitality and freshness. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribes so that you always stay tuned. And if there's someone you care about, do not forget to share this video with them. Stay healthy.